For this problem, answer should be minus 6. For this problem, answer should be minus 6. Okay, answer should be minus 6. I am continuing. I am continuing. Okay, I am having one problem. A equals to alpha square 5 alpha square. It is alpha square 5 minus alpha. He is given that a power 10 is 1024 is given. Then find alpha. Then find alpha. Then find alpha. How to find? We are having some property. Observe. We are having a into b. Suppose delta of a into b. We can write det a into det b. For suppose b equals to a, then a into a equals to det a into det a. It means det a square, right? X into x, like x into x is x square, like det a into det a is det a square, right? Okay. From this you observe det of a. How many times? A 10 times. 10 times. How can I write? It is det a power 10 equals to det a whole power 10, right? I can write like this. Det of a power 10 is det a whole power 10. From this, I am proving from this data. Okay. We have given that det a whole power 10 is 1024. He is given. I can write it is like 2 power 10. So det a is 2 from this equation. From the equation, I am deducting this from det a. Det a equals to 2. I have found that det a equals to 2. So from this, I have to find the value of alpha. I am finding here det a. Det a means alpha square into alpha into minus 1. We are having minus 25 equals to 2. Okay. Minus alpha cube equals to 27. Minus alpha cube equals to 27. Alpha cube equals to minus 27. Alpha equals to minus 3 whole cube. So alpha is minus 3. It is the answer for our question, right? Finding alpha from the given data. I can write a power 10 is det a whole power 10. A 10 times. A 10 times. I can write a power 10. Det a whole power 10. 1024. I can write 2 power 10. Det a equals to 2. From this, I am finding det a. Det a equals to 2. I am equalizing alpha square into minus alpha minus 25 equals to minus 2. Minus alpha cube equals to 27. Alpha cube equals to minus 27. Alpha equals to minus 3. Right? Understand? That is the problem. That is the problem. Okay, we are having properties. We are having properties. We are having properties. Okay. Properties we are having. Finding rank. Finding rank. I can try for 3 by 3 matrix eigenvector. I am trying to finding 3 by 3 matrix eigenvector 1 1 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Finding eigenvector for this. First find eigenvalues and then find eigenvector. For simplification, I can easily use zeros here. For simplification, I can use 0, 0, 0. For simplification, I can write. Okay. First find eigenvalues. How to find eigenvalues? I'm giving an example, not the problem. I'm giving an example. Finding eigenvalues a minus lambda I, right? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5. That minus. I told you for 3 by 3 matrix, we'll get 3 by 3 value of 3 by 3 identity matrix will get 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, into lambda. 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, 1, 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1. Next, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus lambda. Next, 0 minus 0, 0. Next, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 5 minus lambda. Okay, you know how to write that. You can use your method or my method. I can write 1 minus lambda. Writing that 1 minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda into 5 minus lambda minus 0. First one. Next, for this one, I am closing this and this. I am writing this one. Minus 1 into y minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2. Okay. 1 minus lambda for this one. 2 for 1, I am writing 2 into 5 minus lambda. 2 into 5 minus lambda minus 0. Next, for this one, plus 1 into, I am closing this and this, writing this. 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 0 into 1 minus lambda equals to 0. This is the complete equation. Okay, from this 1 minus lambda, this will eliminate 0 minus 0. Here we get, okay, we are getting something, okay. 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, 5 minus lambda, and this equation. Okay, I'm writing here. One minus lambda whole square into 5 minus lambda minus 2 into 5 minus lambda. This will get 0 equals to 0. Okay, I can take common out 5 minus lambda. 5 minus lambda. 1 minus lambda whole square minus 2 equals to 0. First equate 5 minus lambda equals to 0. We'll get lambda equals to 5. This is the one value, lambda 1. Next, by solving this, we'll get another value of lambdas. 1 minus lambda square minus 2 equals to 0. 1 minus lambda whole square equals to 2. 1 minus lambda will get plus or minus 2. Remember, 1 minus lambda whole square will get plus or minus 2. Take 1 plus value, 1 minus value, plus 2. 1 minus lambda equals to minus 2. We'll get 1 minus 2 equals to lambda, lambda equals to minus 1. Next, lambda equals to 1 plus 2. that is 3. 3. We get lambda equals to minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3. Lambda 2 and lambda 3. For a 3 by 3 matrix, we'll get 3 eigenvalues. Lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. These are the 3 eigenvalues for the given matrix A. How to find eigenvectors? I can write eigenvectors. I will write and I will show you how to find eigenvector for a 3 by 3 matrix. In previous, I have given for 2 by 2 matrix. For this, we write for 3 by 3 matrix. Just substitute the values of lambda here. For lambda 1, lambda 1 is 5. Substitute here and write the equation you know. 1 minus lambda. Lambda is 5. 1 minus 5. 1, 1. Next, 2. Next, 1 minus 5. 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 5. Here we get x, y, z, 3 here. Why? Because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, next, minus 4. Minus 4 into x, minus 4x. 1 into y, y. 1 into z, z equals to 0. This is the first equation from the first row. Next, second. 2 into x minus 4 into y plus 0 into z, nothing. We get 0. Next, last one. 0 into x, 0 into y, 0 into z, nothing will get 0. Okay, from this you can observe that 2x equals to 4y. 2x equals to 4y. We'll get 2x equals to 4y. I am writing here 2x equals to 4y, x equals to 2y. I can write y equals to k, so that x equals to 2k. Okay, next I can put here 4x minus 4x plus y plus z. I can write z value. Z equals to 4x minus y. 4x minus y. Y equals to k, x equals to 2k. 4 into 2k minus y equals to k. 8k minus k, 7k. X equals to 2k, y equals to k, z equals to 7k. I can write eigenvector from this. How to write eigenvector? X, y, z. You can write x, y, z. X, y, z as x equals to 2k, x equals to 2k, y equals to k, z equals to 7k. You can put k value. Otherwise you can take common out k and we'll get 217. 217 is one of the eigenvector of the matrix A. I can take common out. K value x, y, z equals to k take common out 217. This is one of the eigenvector. I can put k value anything. Okay, right. So we'll continue in the next class. I'm stopping.